covet no man's wealth. Why? Because it does not exist. It is just a bubble destined to burst, leaving nothing in its place. There are no things to covet or possess. There are only the fever dreams of illusion from which we must awaken. No one really owns anything, firstly because the thing as we perceive it does not exist, and the man does not exist either. And neither do we, as least so far as our perceptions of them and it and me go. God and I in space alone, and nobody else in view. And where are the people, O Lord? I said. The earth below and the sky overhead, and the dead whom once I knew. That was a dream, God smiled and said, a dream that seemed to be true. There were no people, living or dead. There was no earth and no sky overhead. There was only myself and you. Why do I feel no fear? I asked. Meeting you here in this way, for I have sinned, I know full well, and there is heaven and there is hell, and this is the judgment day. Nay, those were dreams, the great God said, dreams that have ceased to be. There are no such things as fear or sin. There is no you. You have never been. There is nothing at all but me.